Remember, before we placed an order, we had 3,472 followers. So we are expecting 3,572 followers, or 3,500 and something followers, right? So all we need to do right now is for us to refresh. So we just need to draw this thing down, and boom, as you can see right here, we have 3,595 followers, which means that the followers we ordered is already completed, easy peasy. So guys, this is the reason why small accounts are blowing up on TikTok in 2026, right? So this is exactly what they are doing. I'm going to be showing you in this video, right? So all you need to do is to make sure that you watch this video from beginning to the end. So the first thing you need to do is for you to come to this platform, growbetter.net. As you can see right here, growbetter.net. You just need to come right here and create an account and do the same thing I'm going to be showing you guys in this video. The link is in the description. All you need to do is to tap on the link, and the link is going to take you to the website. So let's go there. For us to create an account, we just need to come down right here. You can see the sign up right here. Can you see the sign up right here? You just need to tap on it, and once you tap on it, it will bring you this place where you can create a username. While creating your username, make sure that you write it together, do not give space. Then come to this email, put your email, come to this password right here, and create a password. Come to confirm password and confirm your password. And as you can see, this I am human, tap on it, right? And it's going to tick, and you don't need to come to this sign up right here, click on it, and your account is going to be created, easy peasy. All right, so due to because I already have an account, there's no need for me to start creating a new account. So all I need to do is for me to actually sign in and show you guys exactly how to do this. So let's go. So right now I've logged into my account. As you can see, this is how it looks like when you create your account and you are logged in, right? So for us to actually boost this TikTok account, what we need to do is for us to come to this category, right? You can see this category right here, tap on it, and once you tap on it, right, all you need to do is for you to scroll down and look for TikTok followers. And as you can see right here, you can see Instagram followers, Instagram like, and all that thing. This platform, you can actually get Facebook followers, Facebook like, Facebook views. You can get any social media platform, Twitch, Kick, everywhere. Everything is here in this platform. So let's go down, guys. Okay, so right here you can see TikTok followers right here, and there are several TikTok followers right here, but there is a particular one I'm going to be using, which is faster, because I want these followers to reflect in this video so that you can see it, that it works perfectly well. So let's use this particular one. They wrote TikTok followers 10% drop, fast delivery, right? So we don't need to select it, and you come to this service right here. Can you see the service right here? Tap on it and select the first one. Mostly the best service are the first one. Read the description. The description stated that the quality of the followers you are getting are global profile, which is worldwide profile. And right here they say start time is instant. If you place this order, you are getting it instant. And right here they say speed rate is 20k a day, which means you can get 20,000 followers a day, and also refill 10 days. And they said important known, when the service is busy, the starting speed on the process may vary. Do not place a second order on the same link before your current one is completed in the system. So when you place an order, right, do not place another order on that particular link, because if you place another order on that particular link, it's not going to work. Both of them will not work. So if you place an order, a size patient, your order is definitely going to complete. So when it completes, you can place another order on the same link. But you can actually place an order and still place on another link, right? But do not place two order on one link, right? So all you need to do next is to come to this place, the root link, right, and put your profile link. You know, there is difference between profile link and your post link. So it's important for you to put your profile link, which is the link of the account you want people to follow, right? So let's go to TikTok. Let me show you guys how to copy profile link. Come to TikTok right here. You know, so firstly, I want you guys to mark this thing. This particular account has 3,472 followers before we started, and I'm going to be boosting 100 followers. You know, so we'll be expecting 3,500 and something followers. So for us to copy this link is very easy. All you need to do is to come to this up right here. You can see this arrow up here. Can you see this arrow up here? Just tap on it and come to this copy link right here. Can you see this copy link right here? Tap on it and your link is copied, and come right here and paste your link. And the next thing is to put the quantity. So like I said, I'm going to be boosting only 100 followers, right? So I've entered 100. The next thing is to click on this submit right here. Can you see this submit right here? Tap on it, and as you can see, they said your order received, which means that our order has been received. So all we need to do is basically for us to wait for this order to start coming in, easy peasy. But before then, I want you guys to understand that whatever you're doing in this platform is not free. You need to pay money for you to get them. So how then do you fund account in this platform? It's very easy. All you need to do is for you to just come to this three line up here. Can you see this three line up here? You need to tap on it, and once you tap on it, you come to this left hand side. You can see this add fund, right? Can you see this add fund right here? Tap on it, and the next thing you need to do is to come to this dot right here. Can you see this dot right here? Tap on it, and it you can see the two payment option in this platform, Kora Pay and manual. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use both of them. So let's go to Kora Pay. If you select Kora Pay, put the amount you want to fund and click on this pay right here. And once you tap on pay, is going to load, and Kora Pay will ask you, how would you like to pay? Would you like to pay with debit card, bank transfer, or with bank? If you select debit card, put your card details and click on pay. If you select bank transfer, you just need to read this instruction and click on this I understand the instruction and click on continue, right? And Kora Pay is going to provide account number, as you can see right here on the screen. Just make payment to the account number. You don't need to do any other thing. Just wait and the thing will automatically processed and your fund will be added to your balance, right? So let me show you guys how to use manual. If you want to use manual, just come and select manual and read the instruction right here. Instruction stated, kindly make payment to the account number below. You can see the beneficiary, you can see everything right here. They say do not send below 1,000 naira because it won't be refunded. And they also say provide proof of payment, which is the payment screenshot with your username, so that your payment can be completed and confirmed, right? So click on this link to get directed to our admin, contact us. Either you click on this contact us or you click on this WhatsApp icon right here. Once you tap on the WhatsApp icon, you don't need to send them your proof of payment, right? And your Grow Better username, and they're going to confirm your payment. Easy peasy. So this is exactly how to fund an account in this platform, right? So what we need to do next is for us to go to TikTok to check if the followers we purchased have already been coming in. So let's go to TikTok. Remember, before we placed an order, we had 3,472 followers. So we are expecting 3,572 followers, or 3,500 and something followers, right? So all we need to do right now is for us to refresh. So we just need to draw this thing down, and boom, as you can see right here, we have 3,595 followers, which means that the followers we ordered is already completed. Easy peasy. So this is exactly how to actually hit. So let me click on this inbox right here. You can see this inbox. Let's tap on it, and you can see right here, you can see these new followers. You can see 99 plus new followers, and once you tap on it, you can see this follower just entered 1 minute ago. You can see 1 minute ago, and you can see this thing is even Nigerian people actually among them, and you can see 1 minute ago, right? You can see all of them are 1 minute ago, 1 minute ago. You can see easy peasy. So this is exactly how to boost your followers in 2026. All you need to do is for you to come to this platform, create an account, fund your account, do exactly the same thing I did in this video, right? The link is in the description, right? So click on the link, it will take you to the website, or you can actually save this video so that you can come back and watch it again. So thank you all for watching, and see you in my next video.